When the first peppers begin to appear, the plant enters its most demanding stage of growth. At this point, it must supply nutrients to all the developing fruits while continuing to produce new flowers and leaves. If it lacks important nutrients during this period, the difference quickly becomes visible, and the final harvest can be cut in half. The first warning signs often go unnoticed. The fruits grow more slowly than they should, the plant appears less vigorous, and later many gardeners are disappointed by both the size and quantity of the peppers they harvest. The biggest mistake people make is not underwatering. The biggest mistake is waiting until a problem becomes visible. Once the fruits have already fallen behind in development, part of the potential harvest is often lost. That is why it is much better to act early, while the plant is still investing all of its energy into producing new peppers. That is why I always use a simple homemade plant feed during this stage. Take a container and pour in about 300 milliliters of water. First, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash and stir well. Many people do not realize that wood ash contains potassium and calcium, two very important elements for fruit development. Potassium is especially important because pepper plants consume large amounts of it right now, as the fruits grow larger every day. When there is not enough potassium available, the fruits often remain smaller and the plant cannot reach its full potential. You can often get wood ash for free from restaurants and pizzerias that use wood-fired ovens. For the next ingredient, many people have never considered using it in the garden, even though it can be extremely effective. Add 100 milliliters of whey. Whey is a byproduct of cheese production and is rich in amino acids, calcium, and other valuable minerals. It also helps support an active soil environment around the roots, and healthy roots allow the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently. The stronger the root system, the better the plant can handle the demands of producing a large number of fruits. Even now, this mixture is already very powerful, but there is one more ingredient that surprises most people. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric. Although most people know turmeric as a spice, it contains natural compounds with antimicrobial and antifungal properties. For this reason, some gardeners use it as part of homemade preparations to help maintain a healthier environment around their plants. Only a small amount is needed, so half a tablespoon is more than enough. Mix everything thoroughly and let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. After that, strain the liquid and add another half liter of water. Use the finished solution to water your pepper plants once a week, 1 cup per plant. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.